Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Class 8 English. Our English book name is Active English Course Book for Class 8. Before starting our class, please take a look at instructions and please kindly take the screenshot side by side for your later use. All work should be done in school copy and today's work should be done on the textual side. Okay? Leave 2 pages blank before starting the new unit's work. It's mean you have already done unit number 1, the poem, and unit number 3, the polar bear. From starting the new unit, you have to leave 2 pages blank before the new unit, okay? Make title page of unit. After leaving 2 pages blank, make the title page of the new unit. Leave page blank for an outline. Do not make outline, just leave it blank. From next page, start your working like words meaning and other work. In grammar portion, you have essays, letter, application, tenses, and translation. And for reference, refer to course book, unit number this, page number this, and activity number this. And again, I'm repeating today's work. It will come on textual side. Okay, there is no grammar work today. Whole work will come in textual side. Okay. Today's unit is unit number 6, paper. Unit number 6, paper of course book, page number 77. Kindly open your course book if you have, and if you don't have your course book, kindly take the screenshots of the pages I have shared here. Okay, unit number 6, paper. Paper here is not basically a document or a file, but here paper means a dream of a house, a beautiful house. Now we are going towards the reading. Unit number 6, paper, course book, page number 77. He wanted it, he dreamed of it. He hankered after it, as an addict after his opiate. He wanted it. They are talking about a person who wanted it, who really wanted it. What he wanted it, and he dreamed of it. He always thinking of it. He hankered after it. Hankered means to crave, desire, to wish for something. So there is a person who wanted, who dreamed of, and who have a desire. And an addict. Addict means a habit, a fan of, very much habitual of something. After his opiate, opiate means something that makes your senses dull just because of a wish of a dream. So here a person is wishing for something, dreaming for something, so all his senses are vanished. Once the notion of a big beautiful house had lodged itself in his imagination. Notion means thought. Now what the person is thinking about, he is thinking about, he have imagination. Notion means thought of a big beautiful house had lodged itself. Lodge means entered itself in his imagination. All the time the person is talking, thinking about a dream house. And who is the person? Taesoon. Taesoon is a name of a person who is dreaming about a dream house. Taesoon nurtured it until it became the consuming passion of his life. Taesoon nurtured means he is thinking about a dream house all the time. He's talking about his dream house. So he is that much talking about dream house that this wish, this desire is growing in his mind. All the time it is growing in his mind, and it became a passion. Passion means idea of life, a goal of a life. In his life, there is a passion, there is a aim, and the aim is a big, beautiful house. A house, a dream house, such as he had seen on his drives with his wife and children along the roads bordering the prestigious housing estate of on the island. Prestigious means very valuable, very good, respectable area. So what Taesoon is doing? Taesoon is talking about, thinking about a very beautiful house along with his wife and children. He is a married man. He has a wife. He has children, and and where he wants his dream house. He wants his dream house in a prestigious, well-respectable housing society on the island. The island means a place where land, and along with land there is a sea. In the glossy pages of homes and modern living. Glossy means smooth. He want a good house in a very smooth, in a very good place. Homes of modern living, a very good and big houses. Or rather, it was a house which was an amalgam of the best. Amalgam means combination. He wanted a dream house which is the combination of the best things. the most beautiful aspects. Aspects means feature. He want the most beautiful features in his house of the houses he had seen. They soon saw many houses, and now he is combining different features of different houses, and he thought, he imagined a new house in his mind of his own. He knew very detail of his dream house already, and because he composed, he formed a dream house in his mind, so he already know that how the dream house will be looked from the aluminum sliding doors. Now they are talking about the features of the dream house. What are the features? Aluminum sliding doors to the actual shade of dining room carpet to the shape of the swimming pool kidney. He wanted a swimming pool in his house, and which shape? Kidney shape. He rather liked the shape, and he liked the shape. Kidney is very unusual shapes, but he likes the shape. He was not ashamed of the enthusiasm. What is this? Enthusiasm with which he spoke of the dream house, an enthusiasm that belonged to women only, he was told. He is too much interested. Enthusiasm means too much interested, keenly, deeply interested. So he is deeply interested in his dream house, and commonly people are that much interested only in women. According to the human nature, they are only interested, keenly interested in women. But here, Tesun is interested in a dream house rather than a woman. Indeed means Beshak. His enthusiasm was so great that it has infected his wife, even his children, small though they were. Taesoon always talk about his dream house, and his wife and children also talk about their dream house. Soon his wife. Now whose wife? Taesoon's wife. What is the name of Taesoon's wife? Elan. Elan was describing to her sister Yang. Yelan is the wife of Taesoon, and Yang is the sister of wife. The dream house, in all aspects, is perfection of shape and decor, and the children were telling their cousins and friends, "My daddy says that when our house is ready." You can see dot dot here means their talk continues. But here they wants to say that in this first paragraph, they wants to say that Elam, Taesoon, his wife Elan, and their children. They are always talking about their dream house. Whenever they meet with their cousins or friends, they always talk about their dream house. According to them, their dream house is very good, very big, in a very good area, and they wanted it on a urgent basis. Clear with this? Now on the same page, on page number 77, we have paragraph number 2. They talked of the dream house endlessly. Endlessly means they always talk about the dream house. It had become a reality stronger than the reality of a small terraced house which they were sharing with Taesoon's mother, to whom it belonged. They are always talking about dream house, but in reality, where they were living in a small terraced house. Terraced house means they have a terrace in their house, and this house belongs to the Taesoon's mother. Owner of the house was Taesoon's mother. Trisu's mother, whose little business of selling potted curries and vegetable preserves, which she made herself. What is the business of Tesu's mother? Tesu's mother business is she is selling homemade vegetable curries and vegetable preserves. Preserves means that can be a pickle. Left her little time for dreams, and she is too much busy with her working with her business that she don't have any time for dreams. Collect her tongue. Collect her tongue means always ready to argue. She shook her head when someone say and we nod our head, so shook her head and made sarcastic remarks about the ambitiousness of young people nowadays. In this paragraph, they are saying that Taesoon mother always criticized Taesoon. Why she criticized Taesoon? Because according to her, they are living in a house already, and this house is enough for them. So why they are dreaming for a big house? And sarcastic means criticize, and she criticized their dream. She always criticized their dreams, and she thinks young people nowadays, in a present, young people are so much ambitious. They do not live in reality but in dreams. What's wrong with this house we are living? These are the wordings of Tesun's mother. That what is wrong with this house? We are already living in it and we are comfortable. She added paternity. Paternity means She added patently, and she added with a rude behavior. Aren't we all comfortable in it? She is not happy. She is not happy with the Taesoon's dream, and she wants him to concentrate on his job, on his business, and they are living in this house comfortably. So she is arguing childish, like a child, that we all are comfortable in this house. Not so long as you have your horrid ancestral altars all over the place and your grotesque sense of color. Grotesque sense of color means disgusting color. According to Taesoon's mother, horrid ancestral altars means in this house they have something that belongs to their elders, belongs to their ancestors. Horrid means rough. Altars means different things. Altars means that you worship. Because this is Japanese, or I think Chinese, Japanese. This is Japanese story, and in Japanese story, they worship gods. Their god is idols. Okay, बुद्ध की पूजा करते हैं, so altars, so their ancestor altars are there all over the place. And your grotesque sense of color, grotesque means disgusting, very poor, very bad. Imagine painting the kitchen wall bright pink. They are imagining kitchen wall with a bright pink means too much shocking, too much horrible color. But Elan was tactful enough to keep the remarks to herself. Whose thinking is this? This thinking is Elan. Who is Elan? Elan is Taesoon's wife. Elan is thinking when Taesoon's mother gave these remarks that we are comfortable in this house. So Elan is thinking in his mind that this lady is too much horrible, too much disgusting. In this small terrace house, we have only ancestral altars in every place. Means there are too much antiques, and the kitchen color is bright pink, which is very disgusting. But what is Elaine doing? Elaine is keeping these remarks to herself because she knows if she said these remarks to her mother-in-law, so she will scold her. To keep the remarks to herself or to make them only to her sister Yang. Elan can only think in his mind or she can share with her sister. Otherwise, they were sure to reach the old lady and there would be no end to her sharp tongue. Sharp tongue means old lady will start scolding them for their bad thinking about their house. Okay, Elang is the sister of Taesoon's, or you can say Elang is sister-in-law of Taesoon. Clear with this page? I hope you have taken the screenshot of this page if you don't have your course book. Now on page number 78, paragraph number 5. The house, the dream house. It would be a far cry from the little terraced house in which they were all living now. And Taesoon and Elian talked endlessly about it, and it grew magnificently in their imaginations. This dream house of theirs, with its timbered ceiling and paneled walls and circular sitting room, which was to be carpeted in rich amber. The house, the dream house, it would be far cry. Why they are saying far cry? Far cry means something that is beyond your destiny, beyond your reach. Far cry means beyond your reach. So they are living in a very small terraced house and they are dreaming about a very beautiful house in a very good area. Taesoon and Elan always talk about it, and Leslie means always talk about it. And this idea, this dream, grows magnificently. Magnificently means magically in their imaginations. This dream house of theirs with its timbered ceiling. This dream house of theirs with its timbered ceiling. Timbered ceiling means the wooded ceiling and paneled walls and sunken circular sitting room, which was to be carpeted in rich amber. Rich amber means with hard. They will carpet it hard that it looks like a floor ceiling. It was no empty dream. It was not just a dream. It was not just a dream, but it was a reality for them. For there was much money in the bank already, and they had already savings in their bank. $40,000. $40 had been saved. According to them, $40,000 were saved in their bank account, but these 40,000 were not enough for a dream house. The house would cost many times, but Taesoon and Elan, with their good salaries, would be able to manage very well. What Elan and Taesoon were thinking, they were thinking to save all their income for the dream house. Once they took care of the down payment. Down payment means the first initial payment you pay to the owner of the house or to the payment of the house. So okay, they were only considerable for the down payment, and it would be able to pay back monthly over a period of 10 years, 15, 20. Okay, they took care of the down payment. They would be able to pay back monthly over a period of 10 years or 15 years. Means here they want to give a huge money in the starting, and then they will give a little by little money later. It had become the symbol of the peak of early achievement, and all the Taesoon energies and devotions were directed towards its realization. Means Taesoon is working day and night to make this dream into reality. His mother said, "You are a show off." Now again, Tesu's mother, she is criticizing that you are just a show off. What's so grand about marble flooring and swimming pool? She is saying that there is not too much about marble flooring and swimming pools. A normal simple floor is enough. Why don't you put your money to better use? According to her, investing money in a house is not a good idea. But the 40,000 grew steadily, and after Taesoon and Elan had put in every cent of their annual bonuses, it grew to 48,000. How much money they had in the starting? $40,000. But later it became 48,000. Why? Because they put all their incomes into the savings. And husband and wife smiled at the smooth way their plans were growing. And husband and wife, Tesun and Elan, both were happy that their savings are growing for the dream house. Now, the last paragraph on page number 79. It was a time of growing interest in the stock market. In the previous paragraph, if you can see, in the previous paragraph, they are, what are they doing? They are doing savings. Okay, they are showing savings, and in a year they only collected 8,000. Okay, 40,000 were already there, or now in the end they only collected 8,000. And with this speed, it will be very slow for them. So here, next paragraph is about how to earn money speed in a speed. It was a time of growing interest in the stock market. Stock market is basically a place where people can sell and purchase stocks. Stock means shares of different companies. You can purchase share of different company, and then you can sell it if its rate is good. Okay. Interest means the additional amount. For example, I have bought a share of 100 rupees, but after a some time the 100 rupees raised to 200 rupees. So the 100 rupees is my interest, my profit. The quotations for stocks and shares were climbing the charts. Quotations means the fixed amount. The fixed amount of stocks and shares are climbing. Climbing means going upward on the charts. And the crowds in the rooms of the broking houses were growing perceptibly. Perceptibly means sensed. They are growing very well because the charts are going up. Because means the whole paragraph means the profit is increasing, so they can earn much money on the shares. Might we not do something about this? Elan said to her husband. Now Elan is saying, expressing her views to her husband, that should we invest in the stock market for the speedy earning? Do you know that Dr. Su bought Ruston Banking for $4, and that today the shares are worth $7 each? Here Elan is talking about a person or living in their neighbors, Dr. Su, who bought a shares of Ruston Banking. Ruston Banking is a company, and Dr. Su bought shares from this company. When he purchased the shares, when he purchased the shares of the Ruston Banking, the price of the share were $4, but now it reached to the $7. Means if Ruston Banking is selling his shares, so he will run $3 extra on each share. So Elan is saying to her husband that according like Dr. Su, they should also invest in the stock market. Then the temptation was great. Temptation means appealing. The stock market looks great to them. The rewards were almost immediate. The rewards were almost immediate means you can get the profit on immediate basis, on early basis. $30,000 worth of NBE. NBE shares name become 55,000 almost overnight. And what happened? They bought the shares of the NBE, and over a night they invested $30,000, and overnight it became $55,000. Here the unit ends. We don't know the dream house became reality or not. It is basically a novel, and here the unit ends. And Elan and Taesoon, they both work too much hard. They are looking here and there for more investment. They also invested in stock exchange, and at stock exchange they got 55,000. 5,000 means 30,000. They earned 20,000 extra. So how much their saving become? From 48, you can add 48. You can add 20,000, so it becomes 68,000 almost every night. So they are doing struggles to purchase their dream house. Hope you are clear with this. Hope you are clear with the unit. Now moving forward for the words meaning. In your copies, you have to leave 2 pages blank. Then make the title page of the unit paper, unit number 6 paper. Then leave 1 page blank. And after leaving 1 page blank, you have to do words meaning. Okay. Here I tried to share each and every difficult word. But if according to you there is some word that is very easy according to you, so you can skip that word. No need to write it with you. But I will appreciate if you write each and every word in your copies. Hankered. Hankered means desire, crave, wish for something, addict, habitual of something. Opiate, something that dull the senses. Opiate means something that dull the senses. Nurtured, nourishing, growing, increasing, consuming, attention, interest. Bordering, having borders. Having border means limit. You have a society, you are living in your house, and you have a society, they might be possible they have borders. So bordering here means having borders. Prestigious, respectable, very high. Glossy, smooth. Amalgam, combination of different things, aspects, features. And how you will pronounce it? Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm, interest. Enthusiasm means interest. Indeed, actually. Please kindly take the screenshot side by side, okay? So you can write it easily in your copies. Now we have more words meaning here. Sarcastic. Kindly take the screenshot first. Sarcastic means criticizing. Sarcastic means criticizing. Ambitiousness. Quality of being ambitious. Having an aim. Ambitiousness means having an aim, having a goal. Petulantly, childishly. Horrid, rough. Altars. Anything that is worship. There can be stone made idols. Rustic, disgusting. Tactful, deal with people in sensible manner. Magnificently, grand, magically. Timbered, wooded. Sunken, cost. Amber, hard. Perceptibly, senses. Temptation, appealing. Okay, I try to cover each and everything. Okay, here is a question that there is no meanings of paper. Here I would like to say paper. Paper means a page, paper means a document, paper means money, and paper also means aim. Paper also means dream. Here, paper means dream. Why a dream? Why paper? Because paper is a fragile thing. You write it on something, and after some time, it can be torn. It can be erased. So, paper here in this unit, paper means dream. Okay, clear? Paper means file, paper means money, but here paper means dream. Dream that can be accomplished or dream that cannot be accomplished. It depends. Okay. Then afterwards meaning reading comprehension, page number 79. If you have books, so kindly open it. And if you don't have books, so please take a screenshot of it. After doing words meaning, you have to do reading comprehension. You will give a heading of a date and then reading comprehension. Answer the following questions. Heading will be reading comprehension. Then level number 1. Okay, level number 1. Question number 1. What kind of house did Taesoon want? What kind of house did Taesoon want? The answer is Taesoon wanted a dream house. Here did is used, so in answer did will be vanished and want will become wanted. Taesoon wanted a dream house. A very simple answer. Mention 2 qualities of Taesoon's dream house. Sliding doors or kidney shaped swimming pool. These were the 2 qualities. He wants sliding doors and kidney shaped swimming pool. Where did Taesoon live and with whom was he staying? Where did Taesoon live? He lived with his wife, children, and aged mother. Aged mother means old mother at his mother's small terraced house. Clear? He was living with his wife, children, aged mother at his mother's small terraced house. Who else had become influenced by Tesu's desire for the dream house? Means other than Tesu, who were also talking about the dream house. So Tae-soon's wife, Elan, and children were also influenced by his dream house and talked about it endlessly. Claire talked about it endlessly. What was Tae-soon's mother business? She owns a small business of selling buttered curries and vegetable preserves which she made herself. Vegetable preserves means uncooked vegetables added vinegar so they can be used after a long time. She owns a small business of selling buttered curries and vegetable preserves which she made herself. Okay, kindly take the screenshot. You have to do this work in your copies in textual side. Okay, level number 1, question number 1, then answer. Question number 2, then answer. 3, then answer. Okay, if you are writing question number 4 on a page and there is no space for writing answer, so please do not write the question there. Question and answer will go on the same page. Okay, do not write it on the other page. Kindly take the screenshot. Hope you have taken the screenshot. On level number 1, you have to do all the questions. Okay, in level number 1, you have to do all questions. Now, the same page but level number 2. This will go on the next page of your copies. Okay, in level number 2, we are covering 6, 7, 8, and 9. What do you think the dream house symbolized for Taesoon? Means what is the meaning of dream house for Taesoon? So it symbolized status. Status means a place in a position. Wealth means money. Success, the peak of earthly achievement. Earthly achievement means worldly things. Taesoon referred to his desire for the house as enthusiasm. What else might we call it? Means here they are asking for synonyms of enthusiasm. So synonyms of enthusiasm are craving. Craving means desire. Greed, lalach. Love of material things means worldly things. Okay, these are the synonyms of enthusiasm. Question number 8. What did Elian think of her mother-in-law? Means what were the thinking of Elian? What was she thinking about her mother-in-law? She had no respect for old lady, as having poor taste and sharp tongue. According to Elian, she is a poor taste means no, not a good taste and sharp tongue, always ready to argue. She regards her unambitious means she don't have any ambition. What did Dr. Su interested Taesoon and his wife? Dr. Su earned money in short period of time and Taesoon was indeed in need of quick money. So that's why he invested in a stock exchange. Kindly take the screenshot of it quickly. We don't have much time. Okay, he earned money in short period of time and Taesoon was indeed means Beshak in need of quick money. He earned money in stock exchange, so Taesoon also invested in stock exchange for quick money. Okay, hope you have taken the screenshot. In level number 2, we will only cover 6, 7, 8, and 9. Kindly left the question number 10, okay? And level number 3 left it. No need to do it. Now, vocabulary. This vocabulary is not given in your books, but it is an additional work for you. So you have to do it after question answers. Where you have to do it? You have to do it after question answers. Vocabulary, idioms on textual side. Castles in the air. Castles in the air means daydreaming. Bruton X, bad thing or bad person. Bag and baggage with all belongings. At arm's length, at a distance. At the 11th hour, at the last moment. A fish out of water, uncomfortable. Can you take the screenshot, please? Alpha and omega, first and end. Burning question, important issue. Because of, cause of, reason of something. Carry too far, crossing the limits. Okay, crossing the limits. You have to do idioms, then you have to write their meanings, and then you have to write the sentences. You have to write the same sentences in your copies. Okay, for the safe side, you have to write down the same sentences because you don't know how to use idiom in your sentences. So kindly write the same sentences. Kindly take the screenshot. Okay, good. Now the home task. Whatever work we discussed here, you have to copy down it in your textual side. First words meaning, question answers, and idioms. Okay, you have to copy down each and everything in your copies. Home task, copy down words meaning. After words meaning, level number 1, then level number 2, and idioms I shared with you. Okay, kindly take the screenshot. Okay, that is enough for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will cover the vocabulary and grammar of the unit number 6 that is given in your books. Okay, and hopefully you will do all your this working today in your copies, so for tomorrow your copies will be ready for the further work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.